We'd like to welcome Sister Genessa this morning. And may the Lord bless her as she comes, as she put her hands together for Sister Genessa. Lord bless her.
Bless you. Saints. This song was inspired from Sunday 1, the best time of your life. This song is really dedicated to our precious mom, Sister Anne-Marie. And for anyone who is going through a low time in their life, just know that they're going through the best time of their life. So, God bless you all and hope you enjoy.
Saved, but I am weak. But by your stripes I am healed. Though the devil may say I'm bound for the grave, oh, death, where's thy sting? I'll be risen with him. Worship is still in me. For this is the best time of my life. It's when I'm tested and tried, His glory to be revealed. For this is the best time of my life. He meets me at my lowest point. There's nothing God cannot do. The tempter has tempted. To try to shake my faith in Him. Though the battle's raging, I look to the King, for the joy of the Lord is my strength. Perfect strength and perfect weakness. For this is the best time of my life. It's when I'm tested and tried, His glory to be revealed. For this is the best time of my life. He meets me at my lowest point. There's nothing God cannot do. He brought me out so many times before. So I'll just keep on holding on. Though it looks like defeat, I'll stay on my knees. Fourth man in the fire, it's my deliverance. The best time of my life is when I'm tested and tried. His glory to be revealed. Oh, for this is the best time of my life. He meets me at my lowest point. There's nothing, there's nothing, there's nothing God cannot do. The best time of my life is when He meets me at my lowest point. There's nothing nothing God cannot do. There's nothing